Same degree, same field, but completely different careers. Most people choose wrong because they don't understand this one difference. Many students think accounting and financial management are almost the same. Both deal with money, reports, and business decisions, but in reality, they serve very different purposes, and choosing without understanding can lead to frustration later. In this video, we will break this down in a very simple way. By the end, you will clearly understand what each field does, where you might fit better, and how to start building skills in the right direction. Many people pick a path just because it sounds good or others recommend it. Later, they feel stuck or disconnected from their work. That's not because they lack ability, it's because the direction wasn't aligned. Understanding the difference early gives you clarity. It helps you focus your learning, choose better opportunities, and build confidence. Step by step, this is about direction, not speed. Accounting is about tracking what has already happened in a business. It includes recording, transactions, organizing financial data, and preparing reports like income statements or balance sheets. Think of accounting as the history of a business. It answers questions like what happened, where did money go, how much was earned or spent. It focuses on accuracy, structure, and consistency. Financial management is about making decisions using financial data. It focuses on planning, budgeting, and predicting future outcomes. If accounting shows the past, financial management looks ahead. It answers questions like what should we do next? Where should we invest? How do we manage risks? It requires analysis, thinking, and strategic planning. Here is the simplest way to understand it. Accounting records what happened. Financial management decides what to do next. One is structured and detail focused. The other is analytical and forward thinking. Both are important, but they require different mindsets and strategies. Imagine a small business. Accounting records daily sales, expenses, and profits. This creates a clear financial picture. Now, financial management uses their data to decide should we expand, reduce costs, invest in marketing. Without accounting, there is no data. Without financial management, there is no direction. If you like structure, rules, and working with detailed records, accounting may suit you. It requires patience and consistency. If you enjoy thinking ahead, analytical situations, and making decisions, financial management may be a better fit. It requires curiosity and strategic thinking. Both paths need discipline and continuous learning. You don't have to decide everything immediately. Start by exploring both areas. Try small projects, courses, or practical exercises. Pay attention to what keeps you engaged. The right path is not just about opportunity, it's about long term interest and consistency. Start with basic concepts in both fields, then move to practice. Use simple business examples or small data sets to understand how things work. Over time, build small projects like reports or planning sheets. This helps you develop real skills, not just theory. Progress may be slow, but consistency builds confidence. If you want to choose financial accounting career, you have to make accounting strong. One important point, if you don't understand how money is recorded, classified and reported in accounting, you cannot make correct financial decisions. Thank you very much.